Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up your date of birth in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you have opened it, go to Home, which you see on the bottom left hand side, and you can see the settings or the gear icon on the top right hand side corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can see Profile. Go ahead and tap on Profile. Now scroll a bit down and you can see your birthday. Go ahead and tap on Birthday and you can now set up your birthday. So in order for you to set up your birthday, you can just go ahead and click on the year and select your date of year. Then you can go to the month and select the month as well. And finally select the day and click OK. So after this process, you can see that you can change it anytime. And if you want Line to show your birthday to others, you can just go ahead and enable Show My Birthday, and the additional option is Show My Birth Year as well. You can enable or disable this functionality using Line. So I hope this video about how you can set up your date of birth in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.